नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ मार्केट हाईलाइट। सेंसेक्स plummets 1065 PTS Nifty below 25,250 Eternals 4%, Sun Pharma 3%. Sensex Today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities index sharply lower on Tuesday as late morning sell-off dragged benchmark indices to their lowest levels in more than 2 months. Sensex Today Nifty stock market live updates. At the end of session, the BSE Sensex declined 1,065.7 points or 1.28% to close at 82,180.47, while the NSE Nifty slipped lower by 353 points or 1.38%, sitting at 25,232.50. The decline marked a second straight session of losers, reflecting the fragility of the pandemic. Mixed corporate earning precedents foreign fund outflow and lingering the global threat are certainly the market capitalization of all listed companies on the BSE fell by just 9.46 lakhs crore to raise 455.7 lakhs crore. Raise 9 lakhs crore without 6 factor high. Sensex crashes up to 1,200 points. Nifty below 25,250. IT stock drugs benchmark lower. Subdued global statement amid press tariff worries. President's foreign outfall. Flight to safe haven, gold and silver. Technical indicator points to a fragile market. Rupee weakness adds pressure.